Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you why this is the best air fryer for beginners. Now, let's start off with the different settings and how easy it is to clean. So we're going to start off with the different settings. So we have grill, air fry, bake, reheat, slow cook, sear and saute, pizza and toast. That's just on the air fryer settings. We can flip the lever up and then we can go to the steam settings. So combi meals, combi crisp, combi bake, rice and pastry cooks, steam, and it also proofs bread as well. So this is 14 in 1 Ninja Combi. It is the best air fryer that I've ever had. It's simple to use because I was scared of using an air fryer. It's simple to use, it's simple to clean, and it's got a really good touchscreen pad on the front. It comes with 2 trays, so if we open up the air fryer, it comes with a normal baking tray and it comes with a crisper tray as well. You put water in that and that becomes your steam tray. I've had this for about 1.5 years and I couldn't live without it. It's a really good beginner's air fryer. Friendly, easy to clean, comes with a good manufacturer's warranty, which is 3 years if you get it through Ninja. Not sponsored at all, but I'm just going to share this with you because I think this is the best air fryer for people that are getting into air frying. It doesn't look like a conventional air fryer. It hasn't got 2 baskets. It's just got the crisper tray. But the stuff you can do with this air fryer is amazing. You can steam meat, you can cook pasta, you can cook rice in there, you can proof bread, you can do pizza, you can slow cook, you can grill stuff, you can do sear and saute. There's a lot of things this machine can do, and I do swear by this machine. It is the best air fryer I have ever had. So it also comes with a light that you can light up. It's an easy open and shut door. The trays are really solid. There is a glass door so you can see your food cooking, which is really good because you want to see your food cooking as well. And it also has the up and down temperature and the up and down timer as well, so you can change it up and down for temperature, up and down for timer. It's good for pastry work, it's good for meat, it's good for searing, it's good for bacon, it's good for toast, it's good for everything. So try this, see what you think, comment below and tell me what air fryer you use and what's easier for you. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.